Okay, let's start this steak and cheddar mac and cheese off. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put about 2 tablespoons or so of butter in a pot, and you want to start that melting because we got to make a roux. Then you want to add just a little bit of some minced garlic, about a teaspoon or so, which I think would be about 2 cloves of minced garlic. And you want to give this a chance to, get brown, stir it around, but you don't really want it to burn. Then, kind of stir it around once the butter's melted. Then you want to add about 2 tablespoons of flour and keep stirring this continuously until your roux takes on golden brownish in appearance. Again, it's kind of up to you. So once it gets looking something like this, you want to take about 2 cups of milk or heavy cream, depends on how rich you like it. I used whole milk for mine. And you want to stir this around till the roux is incorporated. Okay, I did add a generous amount to taste of freshly ground black pepper to this, and a little bit of salt. You do want to be a little careful because the cheddar cheese does have some salt in it. You don't want to get it too salty. Plus, the meat's going to have a ton of salt and pepper on it. So I added 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, and you want to stir this around till the cheese is melted. And then you want to add 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese to make this sauce. And then you just want to keep it heated and stirred until everything is wonderful, rich, creamy, and melted. Okay, now in a pan that's piping hot, we're going to cook our steak. I put a little bit of canola oil at the bottom of the pan, about 1.5 tablespoons. And this is a top round steak that I've diced up into about 1/2-inch pieces. I chose top round steak because it's a little leaner than most steaks, but it's got just enough fat in there to keep itself relatively tender. And in my opinion, it does, it's the best steak for something like this. So a generous amount of salt and pepper. And then you just want to fry this up to about medium because while you want it to be relatively still tender, but you don't obviously want it bloody, bleeding all over into your mac and cheese. So cook this till it's about medium. It'll take about 4 minutes or so, give or take, 4 or 6 minutes. And again, if you're fine with a little bit of blood in your mac and cheese, then by all means, go rare. Okay, let's combine everything. In a large bowl, you want to dump 1 pound of al dente cooked macaroni shell pasta. You can, of course, use elbow macaroni or whatever you like. You want to take your about pound of steak, dump that on top. We've cooked that to a delicious medium, maybe a little medium well. I might have overcooked it just a hair. And then, of course, last but not least, you want to dump all of that cheese sauce in. Every damn bit of it. And then just give this a couple of good stirs of your old wooden spoon and give everything a chance to meld together, and we'll be ready to serve this son of a bitch. Okay, to serve this, it's really simple. You grab a little bowl, you grab a little ladle, and you spoon how much of this steak mac and cheese you want. And then this is just me. I put some hot sauce on top of mine. So that is steak cheddar mac. Done.